Thank you, Nancy. Whew. This island is just 400 metres long and 300 metres wide. By buggy, it takes around 5 minutes to get around the island. If you've got tired old legs like mine, it takes around 15 minutes to walk around this island. Anyway, I'm staying in Park Pool Villa number 18, one of the 20 Park Pool villas here on the island, the largest category you're going to find. So I'm staying in a villa that's 120 square metres in area. So what do you get here? Well, the heart of the villa is this beautifully designed bed. And from here you've got views of your plunge pool and your decking, and pathway, about 10 metres, leads straight down to the ocean, where I believe there's someone waiting for me, so I better get on with the review. What else do you get here? Well, you get an indoor and outdoor bathroom. So in the indoor bathroom, you get a shower room, you get 2 wash basins, and adequate changing and storage areas. Now on the outside, you get an outdoor shower and an outdoor bath. The average temperature here in the Maldives throughout the year is 30 degrees. So even on a cold day, you could be sitting in the bath. And can you imagine on a clear night when the stars are twinkling, having a cigar in your mouth, a glass of champagne, sitting in that bath? How much fun would that be? Now, there are also 16 park villas without a pool, and there are 14 water villas that are set over the Indian Ocean. Of course, they're beautifully appointed water villas. The reason I'm not staying in one of those is because most of this episode I've either been above the ocean or under the ocean, so it would be quite nice to be on terra firma. Something nice to point out about those water villas. Now, for that number of water villas, usually a resort would take 3 months to build them, but here it took over a year because they were so worried and so cautious about protecting the sanctity of this beautiful island that everything was done slowly and carefully to make sure that the coral wasn't affected. I like that. Well, I'm here for 4 nights and I think I'm going to be very comfortable indeed. But, as I said, there's someone waiting for you on the beach, so I better get ready, changed out of this formal outfit into something more beach ready.